Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shazad. Today we are going to make a very beautiful round shape cooling strip bowl, or you can say basket. For that we need some multicolor strips, 20 mm round, cooling tool and gum and glue. So let's get started friends. First of all we need for round middle 297 mm strip of black, 297 mm strip white, 297 mm strip red and 297 mm strip yellow. So we have to make the round first of all like this. And after that we have to use we have to make the petals of two blue strips we need for that, and one off-white strip for the petals, and we need 10 petals for that, and we have to make that petal with the comb. This is finished. Now we have to do petal with the comb. You have to make rounds and rounds until the strip finish. When you finish it, just put the glue and remove it. Make the shape of petal like this. We need 10 days, and we need the other petals, 50 petals we need. I will make only one, the green one. The rest of you can make by same stuff with the same color, different colors. We use 10 purple, 20 green and 20 blue, that we had to put the edges. You have to press 20 mm. You have to make the petal. And also this one is also same like the major one. You have to use 150 mm blue and yellow strip, and for corners we need same. We have to take it round this corner, orange and purple, extend it, put the glue, the shape, same like strip. You have to make 3 and make this shape, purple and blue V shape. This one you have to do like same like a purple one. I will show you the strip, same like this one, but you have to need 150 mm strip together, make it shape. So friends, we got our stuff, all the stuff, and let's get started to putting on the making the bowl. I will tell you how many things I need in the next video. So finally friends, we got our stuff, 10 big petals, 50 total, purple, green and blue same size petals, yellow and blue 10 petals, and 10 petals, orange, purple and orange 40 mm dia of round shape, one tight roll, and one the bigger one, the size of 130 mm ring. So let's get started, friends, to putting on the paper all the stuff and make the bowl. So finally, friends, we complete our multicolor cooling strip bowl with a very nice flower shape, round shape. I hope you like our video, friends.